Starting day 7, my last day. Should be my ride to the pickup. Today on the map does not look so hard. Actually should be pretty easy, but by reality could be a little harder. I'm basically riding up the Deschutes River from Maupin to the gorge. And the bottom section here will be beautiful recreational BLM land. At the top is beautiful recreational state park land, and it gets pretty high activity levels on both ends. The problem is there's a section in the middle that's technically closed. That's going to be the interesting section. I can see from the heat maps that people are using it, which is pretty cool. I could see when I zoomed in on the Google Maps from who knows how long ago, there were trails connecting the sections, but there's definitely not sanctioned trail. I don't know what it looks like. I definitely don't know if it's made for bike packing bikes. Well, I guarantee it's not made for anything. And I've ridden the northern side of this before. It can be pretty rough going because it's old rail trail, and I think especially the sections that are not groomed probably especially rough. So yeah, pretty excited. Today is my birthday. Barring any major failures, I will accomplish my goal today. This section of the route is not part of the official route. I kind of made this happen on my own here. But yeah, in theory on this ride, assuming I make it this last day, I will accomplish my goal of a solo adventure end to end on a state. I'm feeling really good about the fact that I actually planned it and executed it on my own. And I'm feeling pretty good that my body could do it. Well, I shouldn't speak too soon because it's not done yet. I am sore. The butt is sore. I've worn through the sole on my left shoe. I have flats. Yeah, I'm just gonna carry on. I'll turn the camera back on for some more beautiful scenery. It's just so beautiful here. I gotta say though, on this ride, I've been on the road by at least 8 every morning, up around 6. Just get up when the sun comes up, packing up camp slowly, making breakfast, kind of not hurrying in the morning, but most days on the road between 7:30 and 8. Today, closer to 7:30. Every morning, just waking up and starting your day with all the birds flying around, waking up, getting breakfast. Just a beautiful scenery. No matter where I was, it's beautiful scenery. How could you not have a good day when you wake up? You get on your bike and you're greeted with this. Like, it's impossible not to have a good day. Even if you're on day 7 of a bike tour that pushes your physical limits to the end, you still have a good day. Epically beautiful. Beauty just continues. This is one of the reasons why I wanted to risk this route. The dead zones in the middle where I'll be bushwhacking. Look at that bridge. Beautiful. Just more absolute stunning beauty. As has been going on for a full hour, 20 minutes. It's literally been like this the entire ride. I'm having a problem keeping moving and not stopping every 10 seconds to take pictures. Max Canyon Recreation Site, little campground. Nearing the end of BLM land, looking for a place to stop for lunch. I made an egg sandwich for breakfast and took it with me to eat. A little more than halfway done, just about to go into the hard part. Now we're going to do the gap between BLM land ends and state park starts. It's kind of this unsanctioned trail. It's going to be interesting to see how much is hike-a-bike, how much I can ride. Definitely not made for cyclists by any stretch. Arguable if it's even meant officially for hikers. But I connect the dots. Here we go. Definitely no bike tracks on this section. Oddly enough though, it's still smoother than the road right now. Shouldn't be too far, only maybe a couple miles of this. But if it's this good, I'm not really worried at all. I'll check in if it's not this good. This is actually better than the Oceania Trail, going through the ranch lands almost. Oh. This looks to be an interesting section now. I think rock falls might make it hard to ride where people can climb through. And you can't necessarily squeeze through on the bike with bags on it like this one. Definitely did not fit. To watch out those bag grabbing rocks. Oh, but how beautiful. How beautiful. This is going to be interesting to cross on a fully loaded bike. Definitely not riding this. Whew. It's just completely washed out and gone. Maybe hike-a-biking down on this. I'll shut the camera off so I can be careful. Holy fuck, I just crossed that. I came up that with an 80-pound bike. Hardest part of the whole trip. Holy fuck, it's fucking epic. Oh, Jesus. Alright, pretty sure I'm walking this whole section. My excitement when I first started was quickly shunned by the 100-foot straight up climb with a 80-pound bike. That was fun. And this is pretty much what I'm going through. I gotta get all the way up, I don't know where my finger's pointing, around that bend around the corner before it turns back to state forest land. A couple miles of hike-a-bike. Just gonna keep going. I can see the bridge up there. This has honestly been the hardest day of my life. Hardest ride last day. There's the end right there. Carrying my bike up 5 100-foot scrambles today. On top of the ride, which is just absolutely brutal. Super thankful Melissa's waiting for me at the end. The cold drinks, because I need it. I've been out here riding since, I don't even know what time it is, but sun's almost down. I started riding when it was up. I've been at least 8 hours, maybe 10 today. This is hours of hike-a-bike, a hike-a-carry, hike-a-haul, bike-a-haul, bike-a-carry. This is brutal. But we're calling it that I made it. Whew. All the way across Oregon, solo, on a bike, on my birthday, on schedule. I'm sore, tired, I need a fucking cheeseburger. Whew. Happy birthday, Steve. The campground. Oh my god. Oh, let me put some air in my tire.